Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate mean and standard deviation and standard error in Microsoft Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and you want to calculate mean, standard deviation and standard error, so this video is for you. So first we will calculate how to mean. Okay, so what you have to do here, you have to just equals to the formula is average. Okay, then choose all the number. Okay, then bracket close. So this will be the mean of this data. Okay, now we will calculate standard deviation. Okay, so for standard deviation you have to just equals to STDEV. Okay, STDEV, then you have to just select all the cell and then bracket close. So this will be the standard deviation. Okay, now for standard error there is no formula in Excel, but you can find out by choosing this method. Okay, so what you have to do, equals to, first we will find out standard deviation, okay, of this number, bracket close, then divided by square root uh, the number of data. Okay, so this how many number of this data. Okay, how many cells of uh, this data. Okay, so what you have to do, if you don't know, just count. Okay, then select all the cell, bracket close, then bracket close again. Okay, so this will be the standard error. So like this you can find out mean, standard deviation and standard error in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.